the experiences of the International Women's Network for Democracy and Peace during this COVID-19 lockdown. We were working with Rwandese women, and unfortunately, during this lockdown, we have learned about some rapes which were done by security forces. And we are trying our best to bring the culprits to book. Another thing, negative thing that we experienced is that the refugees who are still in Congo were attacked by the army, and that produced again displaced people, and for now we don't have much news from them. We tried also, especially in Rwanda, to contribute to the distribution of some goods of first necessity, because people who were relying on day-to-day businesses didn't have much to do in order to help their families. And now what we are trying to do now is to make sure that the people responsible for those rapes, which happened in Kigali, be brought to book, and that they can be punished for that.